Hey, there's something cool in the boiler room. Go see. No, I never use cool and boiler room in the same sentence. Well, maybe it's time you did. It could save you a chunk of change. Oh, yeah? What is it? An electric boiler, for making hot water or steam, like for space heating, food processing, manufacturing, textile plants, or just doing a whole lot of laundry. Electric. Yeah, electric. It's smaller, lighter, faster, and it's easier to install and maintain. Yeah, probably more expensive to operate. It used to be, but maybe not anymore. Here's the deal. We call it fuel switching, and here's what you do. Put in a new electric boiler right beside your old one, gas, fuel, oil, whatever. Use whichever one will save you money at the time, and fuel switching can save you money. Just listen to this.
We installed an electric boiler here at Northside Hospital because we needed additional capacity for our steam plant, but we didn't have all of the floor space required for a traditional type fuel oil boiler. We use it as a primary unit and a backup unit. Depending on the situation, we will run it only without any fuel oil boilers running in order to supply steam to the plant. We use it for steam, heat throughout the building. We use it for cooking. We use it for sterilization in the autoclaves as well. The installation was fairly easy. All we needed was a small amount of floor space. We built the building and put the boiler in place, tied it in with the feed water and the steam lines, and it was ready to go. From a cold start, this electric boiler is capable of producing 90 pounds of steam within 30 minutes. A typical fuel oil boiler will take 3 to 4 hours to warm up. The equipment's operated perfectly and it's never failed us yet. I would highly recommend an electric boiler to any facility that could use additional steam plant capacity but still has limited floor space.
I've got a boiler. Why do I need two? For reliability, so you'll always have hot water or steam when you need it. Electric boilers don't need a lot of maintenance. No corroded tubes to clean or replace, no burners to adjust, no leaks to plug, and no fan or mechanical controls to break down. Electric heating elements are simple to replace, either individually or in bundles. And the controls are solid-state electronics, not clunky mechanical cams or linkages. Yeah, but electric heating elements use a lot of electricity. Well, think of it this way. They use energy more efficiently. Heat goes directly into the water instead of heating up a ton of metal first. And there's no buildup of minerals and corrosion on tubing to lower efficiency. With conventional boilers, about 17% or more of the energy you pay for goes up the flue or radiates into the boiler room. That's why it's always so hot in there. And electric boilers maintain a steady temperature. They don't cycle off and cool down. That means a reliable supply of consistently hot water without the thermal stresses of cycling. Up the flue. Yes, up the flue. An electric boiler doesn't even have a flue. That's why it's so easy to install. No roof penetrations, no fuel lines, no combustion air requirements, and no smokestack worries about emitting combustion gases and byproducts. Okay, but where am I going to put another boiler? Electric boilers are smaller than you think. About half the space for the same capacity. Some even fit through a standard doorway. Small footprint and a lot lighter weight. You'll be surprised where it'll fit. Electric boilers are quiet, too. No burner noise, no combustion air fans, no noisy controls. All you hear is the occasional clicking of the electrical contactors. Let's talk volume and recovery time. What if I need a whole lot of hot water or steam really fast? How about enough heat to heat a commercial airline hangar? There's a type of electric boiler that can do that. It's called an electrode boiler. Instead of resistance heat, an electrode boiler uses the water itself to conduct high voltage. It can turn water to steam in just a few seconds. How's that for fast? Steam in seconds. Yep, that fast. You can be at 100% capacity in just 2 to 3 minutes instead of 2 to 3 hours. Electrode boilers are available in sizes ranging from 260 boiler horsepower all the way up to 5,000. Now, of course, the numbers on electrode boilers don't work for everyone. They cost a bit more up front and they take high voltage electric service. But if you need speed... Okay, now slow down. How can I find out more? Talk it over with your account executive, then run the numbers yourself. See if an electric boiler can work for you. And for more information, we've got an interactive question and answer session with our electric boiler expert, Jerry Thomas, that's right here on this CD. You pick the question, he'll answer it. Believe me, Jerry has spent a lot of time in boiler rooms. He knows how to wring every last nickel out of the dollars you spend on energy. Well, thank you. This is some hot information on a very cool subject.